Hi, this is Wietse from GoBright. Welcome at our booth here at ISE. I wanted to show you our work concept, part of our smart workplace platform. On the right hand side you see the interactive mapping. This mapping shows an overview of available workspaces and gives you the option to book desks or meeting rooms, including NFC integration all up to your Active Directory or Google G Suite. This map is fully customizable by the end user, so they can drag and drop and change accordingly when they move their desks. Once done, you can go to your desk and your desk will light up, and it's orange because I pre-booked it. Now I can confirm again with my RFID card, and now it knows my personal presets. So this way we do give back functionality for the user because he doesn't have a fixed desk anymore. Besides that, we also have the do not disturb function. So in this way it will turn up blue. Blue means do not disturb me, and your colleagues can directly see it. And also when you find your colleague in the app or via the mapping, you can also see that he does not want to be disturbed. Furthermore, we do have occupancy sensing in, also mains powered, so no batteries involved. And even though the user might not want to fob in or use the system in any way, we will always capture the data based on anonymity. So thank you, this was the work proposition in short. Please also watch the videos on Meet and Visit, and find information on GoBright.com. Thank you.